Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you the other method that you can use for documenting end-of-year performance levels in Aware. You can find this end-of-year performance level information on our end-of-year performance level webpage. To get there, you go to the district webpage, to departments, scroll down, go to Aware, and in the top right-hand corner, you will see it right there, end-of-year performance level webpage. So we're going to be doing method 2 under step 1. You can do either method 1 or method 2. You do not need to do both. This method is done completely in Aware. So you need to go to the Launchpad, find Eduphoria, and then open up Aware. Once you get to Aware, you'll go down to the Students tab, and then you need to find a student to complete the evaluation form for. So in order to do that, you can do that a couple of different ways. You can type in all and then click down here for all my students. Or if you have a monitor list, you can open up your monitor list and find a student that way. Another thing that you can do is type in an actual student's name, even part of the name, and press enter, and then you will find a student's name to click on. Once you find the name, double click on it. You'll open up their profile. And then you need to go over to the Forms tab. Then you will add a form, and you're going to be looking for this red ribbon, End of Year Performance Level Evaluations. Click on the plus sign, and then you need to find your grade and the subject that you want to fill out. So for example, I want to go down to Reading Grade 5, click on it, and then I click Add. Once you do that, it is attached to their profile, but now you need to actually complete it. So I'm going to click over on the right, View. It will open up this student's form. All of the information about the student will be automatically populated. You don't need to do anything for that part, but you do need to scroll down, and you need to click in every single area whether or not they have demonstrated mastery or have not demonstrated mastery. You must click every single, a yes or a no for every single skill. All of these skills fall under the did not meet grade level. Even if you don't believe that the student qualifies as did not meet grade level, you must click every single skill, regardless of the level you think that they're going to be at. So I'm going to click yes and yes, yes, and you continue on making sure that you're clicking which things they have and have not demonstrated mastery. Now, I'm going to scroll down, and I'm intentionally skipping several things because I want you to see what it would look like if I don't fill out the entire form. So if I click Save, you're going to see this error message, please answer all required questions. And that's how you know that you have not answered every single skill if they have or have not demonstrated mastery. So scroll down and look for the red exclamation points, because that lets you know that there are skills underneath that area that have not been filled out. Once you have filled out yes or no for every single question, you're ready to decide what their overall performance level is, and that's where you use the preponderance of evidence, the majority of yeses and nos that you're filling out, and decide on what overall performance level the student would achieve. And then you would click Save up at the top. Notice this time there is no error message, and so that lets me know that I have completed all parts of this form and that it has saved. One thing that you can also do is you can click the print this form. You're not required to, but if you would like to, you can print out a copy of the form so that you have it for records, and it will list every single skill that they have or have not mastered. After this form has been attached and saved to a student's profile, which can be done by any teacher of record, any teacher with the student on a monitor list, any special ed case manager or instructional coach on the campus. The next step must be completed only by the teacher of record for that course. So for example, this was a 5th grade reading end of year performance level. So the student, if he or she is in a departmentalized reading class, then only that 5th grade reading departmentalized teacher can complete the next step, which is to enter the end of year performance level score in the test available link in Aware.